Hey everybody, Sarah Ives here. I am here with someone so special today. This is my son Blue. So it's March break and I'm working at my desk, and of course he's at his computer playing Minecraft. And I'm thinking to myself, how can I do my Facebook Live today? Then I thought, you know what, this is such an amazing topic. So I want to talk about your business why, and something that I wanted to talk about this week, which is the death of advertising. So I want to talk about how your business why relates to the death of advertising and how you can use this effectively in social media. So Blue, we really need to get your hair cut. Oh, sorry, I'm putting it the wrong way.
I never want to get my hair cut.
Okay, fine. So back in 2011, I was working in hospital research actually. So I have a master's degree, trained in hospital research, and I was kind of content. I was always a creative person and always wanted to be a writer, but I was kind of content being into the 9 to 5. And then I got pregnant, and then Blue came along, and suddenly I was like, you know what? I want to spend so much time with this amazing little person. And it really helped me to kind of reevaluate my priorities. And I realized that there was most likely a different way, a way that I could use my creative abilities to generate income so that I could work less and spend more time with Blue. Say hello. Anyway, so that's my business why. And I talk so much in my content about how important it is to determine your unique business stories and to use those in your marketing. Why are you laughing? Am I talking funny?
No, it's the reflection of the mug.
Oh, okay, fine. So using your personal business story is so effective and so crucial nowadays in marketing because everybody is doing, so many people are doing Facebook ads, and let's be realistic, a lot of us who are trying to advertise on Facebook have a lot of competition. And I like to drive home how so important it is to create your own brand and your own personality that goes along with your business so that you can stand out. Now, in advertising, there's traditionally 3 ploys of advertising. So the 3 ploys of advertising are simply boasting, like, okay, we're so amazing. The second ploy is promising, buy this product or buy this service and your life is going to change. And then the third ploy is, do you remember the third ploy? Manipulation. So that would be like emotional manipulation. And of course, Facebook doesn't like that. So of course they want to increase the user experience, and they are clamping down on sort of manipulative things. But those are really the 3 ploys of advertising. And in today's world, we're just becoming so immune to it. I mean, how many things in your news feed have you seen? Like, make $9 million with one webinar, or, get 30 clients in 10 days with this proven strategy. So these are all just lies that are kind of designed to capture our attention and to pull us into their funnel. So that stuff we're becoming immune to, and especially with the death of kind of like major advertising, so the kind of big message advertising that's designed to relate to a whole bunch of people. Now a lot of us are mainly advertising on social media, where we're able to target our messages so precisely to the exact type of person that we want to reach. So with that sort of death of advertising, we're becoming immune to that. We already know these promises, the manipulations, and that type of thing. So the number one way to make your company and you resilient against the fact that advertising is changing rapidly, you've got to infuse your business with your personality and with your unique stories. So your unique reasons for getting into business in the first place. Does that make sense, Blue?
No.
Are you bored now?
No.
Okay, good. Oh, we just got a call and had to decline it. So everybody, I hope that this makes perfect sense to you. Now, I have a lot of other videos on exactly how to build your particular brand stories, and I will put the link in the description below. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this little personal infusion. There's just a description. I just put a link in the description of the video. So guys, this is Sarah May Ives. If you have any questions, just ask. If you would like to tell me where you're watching from too, please do so. And I hope this has been helpful, and I hope it'll inspire you to bring more of your personality into your business. Thank you, and thank you, Blue.